Welcome back to my channel. In this video we go through the paragraph from 11th Standard English. Unit 1 Poem, Once Upon a Time. It is written by the poet, Gabriel O'Kara. If you write these points without a mistake, you can get 4 marks out of 5. The central theme of the poem is, the child is the father of the man. Gabriel O'Kara addressed this poem to his son. Once the people laughed wholeheartedly. Now modern people shake hands without hearts. They invited their friends without any glad. There is no truth in words and actions. The poet feels very sad. He has also changed with others. He too shows fake emotions. He wants to relearn the good qualities. He asks his son to help him to laugh like a child again. The moral of the poem is, innocence is not learnt, it's a state of mind. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We already upload some other topics for average learners paragraphs. You can download those paragraphs as PDF in my website. My website link is in description. Don't forget to watch it. I hope this video may useful for your upcoming exams. If you like this video, click the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Next, we will meet on another wonderful video and thank you. Have a good day.